The thing I miss most of all about my birthday more than anything else today is I won't get to hear my mom wish me a happy birthday. And she said it like, "Happy birthday, Tom." You know, something like that. I got the tone in my head and everything, and every year. And then a big hug and a kiss. And she'd look forward to taking me out to dinner because she loved treating people she loved and care about. And my dad, too, he died a few years ago. My mom died a little less than 1 year. So this is the first birthday without my mom and without either of my parents. And God, I miss them so much. I really do, man. I've already teared up a few times today, and I will continue to do so, I am sure. But little did I know, it was last year. I'm 44 today. Last year I turned 43. I didn't get to see my mom last year. She was already in the hospital. She had COVID, and it was today that we found out through testing at the hospital that she had COVID. At first, I didn't think she had COVID. I mean, I had other reasons why I believe she was in the hospital, why I called 911. That's another video for another day. I've actually shared about that already. But it turned out she had COVID, and that's what made her so weak and what led to me having to call 911 and get rushed. But when she told me that, I figured, well, shoot, I probably have it too then. I got tested, and I did have it. I tested positive, so I've got the natural antibodies. My mom, lots of underlying health problems, lots of them, and she just didn't have the immune status to fight it off. And it took her life on August 1st of 2020, which we're approaching that date right now. So the best gift you can give to anybody is to take care of yourself, be healthy, so that you can be around longer for people who love you and care about you. The best gift my mom and my dad could have given me is if they took better care of themselves so that they could be around longer. My dad passed away right after I turned 40, and my mom shortly after I turned 43. And I feel it's a bit young, and some people lose their parents much earlier. I'm aware of that, but my parents aren't around anymore because they largely didn't take care of themselves. So check out the link in my bio area. I've got all kinds of resources to help you, to help people you love and care about, anybody you want to share that stuff with, get really healthy, to build up an immune system so that you just increase the odds. You significantly increase the odds that you're going to live a long, happy, healthy, fulfilling life. And it's the best thing you can do for people that love you and care about you. And there's all kinds of resources in there, stuff you can buy into like I did, totally worth it, and tons of free stuff, recipes, healthy grocery lists, workouts, exercise tips, all kinds of stuff. So just go nuts with it and take care of yourselves, because man, I miss my mom and dad so much, and more than anything, I wish they were here. And today's my first birthday without them, and the thing I miss most of all is I'm not going to be able to hear my mom ever say "Happy birthday, Tom," the way that she did with her voice tones, and then the hug and the kiss, and just going out to eat, and just her entire presence, and my dad's presence too. All right, I'm gonna get going now. I love you people, love and support each other. Bye for now.